Hello, hello, everybody. Welcome back.
If you didn't know, I'm Sean Calhoun, and this is Christina, my lovely wife
Hello.
and partner. We work at Pretty Home Realty. That is a local real estate agency in Birmingham, Michigan. But the information that we have for you today actually is data for real estate, period. So if you're looking at real estate in the United States, that's what we're talking about. So what's the big question that we're answering, and what we're doing for today?
People want to know if we're in another housing market crisis. So we went over reasons number 1 and 2, and today we have reason number 3, showing why the data proves that we're not in a housing market crisis.
All right, so let's get right into it. What's reason number 3? Why aren't we in a housing crisis?
So reason number 3 has to do with the number of homes that are on the market. So the number of houses that are for sale right now. So has anybody ever asked you, Sean, how's the real estate market?
We get it all the time, right? It's a good question, but what does that really mean?
Yeah, so that's really looking at the inventory or the supply of homes for sale over the next 6 months.
Right.
So if another home didn't come on the market and all that happened was the average numbers of homes selling right now continued to sell, how many months would it take to sell all the houses? That's what we're trying to break down. So we get to do math today.
Oh, simple math.
Simple math.
All right. So let me give a quick example of this. So are you ready for my example?
Go for it.
Okay. So let's just say on average in our market, there were 600 homes on the market, right? So that's the average, right? So let's just go 600. I'm not sure if you can see that there.
That's good.
So we got 600 homes on the market. Now, let's just say on average, 100 homes sold per month. So let's go divided by 100, right? So 600 divided by 100, really simple math, is 6. That is your 6-month supply. That would be considered a flat market, meaning you have enough homes on the market to supply all of the demands of the market. All right?
Yeah. So 6 months, flat market.
Flat market.
Let's look at what happened in the last housing crisis. There was an oversupply of homes. So there were a ton of houses available, a lot of options. People could be really picky.
So just for example, in our example, let's just say there's 600 homes on the market. That's a 6-month supply. There may have been 1,200 or 1,800 or 3,000 homes on the market when only 100 are selling. That's a major oversupply. And again, like Christina just said, that's what we saw in the previous housing crisis.
Right. So that's called a buyer's market if it's more than 7 months of inventory. That's not the situation we're in right now. Right now, we have an undersupply of homes available, and that's called a seller's market. Mm-hmm. So that would mean there's less than 6 months of inventory. And there's a high demand for these properties because there's more people out there trying to buy houses than there's houses available.
Right. So this is basic economics. If you think about it, okay, supply and demand. You've heard of that, right? If you have a large supply, right, then normally the prices go down. If you have a small supply, normally the prices either hold or go up. So what we're seeing right now with the low supply is that the prices are holding steady and they are slowly increasing in value, which is a good thing. I mean, right. That is a truly good thing for for the housing market. So again, that is our third reason, just looking into it, why we don't think that we are in a housing crisis. But there's another reason. That's reason number 4. And if you come back tomorrow at 1 o'clock, guess what? We're going to roll it out to you and give you those statistical data just to kind of help you to make a good decision. So how could you use this? If you're looking to buy or if you're looking to sell your home, you might wonder, should I put my home on the market right now? Well, think about it. If you put your home on the market right now when there's a low supply and there's a large demand, you'll probably sell it quickly if it is priced correctly. But that's a different story. So anyway, that's just something to think about and consider if that's something that you're looking at. And also, if you're going to buy a property as well, you might want to consider all of those things. So anyway, that was it. I did want to show you one other thing. This is cool. This came in the mail today. Woo! This is a little gift, anniversary gift actually, from our son Spencer. So want to thank him. That's pretty cool. Can't wait to put that on the car. So if you see us rolling around town like that, that'll be us. So
now all right, we're allowed to go out and about.
Now that we're considered essential. Yes. Thanks, Governor. All right. Well, anyway, we'll see y'all on the next one. See you tomorrow, 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And hopefully we can help you and bring you some more value to help you make some good decisions. Get out of here.
A shout out to Millie, Rachel, and Matthew for joining our Facebook Live. Thank you.
Thank you.